Okay, now here we are going to visit the whole place, and here we are going to have the Holy Mass. Okay, that's mean if you want to take things for the Holy Mass or for a couple of hours, you need it. Now what I want from you friends, after we finish
Ano na yata, naka-on na. Ayan, mag-attend kami ng mass. Ang init dito, pero naka-coat kami. Dahil mainit? Dahil mainit at mamayang gabi malamig na naman. Ito ang Capernaum.
Hi! Hello! Mainit na mainit ngayon dito.
Nasa disyerto kami.
Sobrang init.